got the kitchen countertop cut out, and I'm gonna sand it all down just on the corners here to give it a more rounded, smooth edge. Get her ready. Here's the sink. We got the mouse poop sink here. So now we need to figure out where to install the faucet. So I go to the store to buy a new faucet for the camper. I want to put a household one in. And ended up buying a new faucet for the house and taking the old house faucet, which still is in functioning order, and that's what we're gonna roll with. So that's it. That's the plan. Let's see if we can execute it. So here we have the faucet, and I'm gonna try and figure out if it can be used as a single hole faucet on the counter. I was gonna see if I can remove this flange plate here, and if it would work just with this sticking out of the thing. But I don't think out of the countertop, I actually don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, that's not gonna work. You gotta have this thing on here. It probably came with a flange for a single hole sink when they installed it, but I didn't install it. So I'm gonna clean this up with a brass wire brush, 2.5 inches. We're gonna call it right about there. See how close we are to the X. Oh, pretty good. X is right there, there's the hole. So what is hitting? Okay, we've got a slight problem using this piece here, which is this flange piece. It's designed for a 3-hole sink. Well, this is a 1-hole sink because I just made it one. It has like little lips on the plastic to like kind of keep it seated into the 3 holes. Well, they're it's raising everything up. Grinding off those little pieces off that plastic is a perfect job for the Dremel here. There's before and there's after. We got the faucet coming down. These are the lines, hot and cold, coming for the faucet, and then these 2 lines are the PEX for the feeds for the hot and cold for the faucet. So I'm going to cut into here, put valves on each of them with PEX, and then this threaded faucet 3/8 fitting will just screw under there, and then you have your valves and it'll be done. There you go. That's how it'll be. So I got the valves here. You are under the sink area, and I have a mark right here of where on the old camper, or the camper out there that we're referencing, of where this hole is for the plumbing for the sink drain to go on the outside of the camper. But there's a copper line there, and we're not moving all this stuff, so we're gonna drill it a little bit off. Nice. Alright, got the sink drains going in, and there is the sink drain going outside, and it fits pretty well, and you can still get to the receptacle that I added. This is just mocked up, it's not tight and sealed. And then here it is underneath where it'll come out, or where it does come out of the camper to go along the corner of the vertical and horizontal wing walls, and then it blows through that wing wall into a compartment and then crosses. Gave the sink the old scrub down. Check it out. Revival. Isn't that just beautiful when that thing came out of that camper? You guys, you longtime followers have saw where that sink came from. You saw. How's the little wind that you got going on your face, huh? How is it? Sherman's checking it out. One of the drains in the sink leaked. This one. And this is what was in here. So this is plastic actually. Looks like it's not, but it is. And the plumber's putty specifically says not to use on plastic. And I couldn't really find one easily that was good for plastic. So I went and got a new drain. So let's see if it fits. So there's the existing drain that does not leak. Here's the new metal one. Look at that. Isn't that just nice? Now that that's on there, take this, put it right in. Okay. Got the countertop off, and I'm drilling holes for the screw holes to hold it down. So I got one there, go up, and then that's will hold it down from underneath. On this one I had to do pocket holes, so I drilled a pocket hole. What we got here is the beginnings of the cabinet door. So matching the old door with the new one, got to put the hinges on. I'll do the other one and just complete it all. Alright. Got a door. How level is it? Good enough for a camper! Good enough for a camper! Door is hung. Now just working on the latch system. So this is the wall for the dinette. So you sit here like this, and you sit. And then you slide out of here. So that's the wall we're working on. And you're also sitting over a compartment. So we're gonna cut out the door for the compartment marked here. And let's do it. Oh, the battery, it did it. Not enough. There we go. Now we got it. Done. And we just used 1/2 inch plywood for this. Got the wall all sanded down. It's going right here. So let's get it screwed in there. Back into grungy. So this is the wall that just got completed. And then here's the cap, counter, whatever you want to call it. That's the divider between the kitchen and then the dinette over on that side. So we're gonna make this. We've got the beginnings of the little mini countertop. I'm gonna chamfer these and get them all rounded and get it nice. We got the finished product. Got the angle brackets installed, so that almost concludes the counter. I had to put a little shim in here to stiffen it up. Okay. Eat some peppers right off of it. Chopped up peppers. Squirt the ranch right on the countertop and dip it.